Apa dia? Aku yang suka lah. Lihat video. Aku yang suka.
Alah. Good evening everybody. Assalamualaikum. We are now heading off to Ikea because we're gonna go search a bed for our new house. So yeah, we're gonna go to Ikea. And it's my first time, and no, it's my dad's first time going to Ikea with us. And I'm so excited of it. And you can look at the weather right now. Maybe you cannot see it. It's like it's dark. It's gonna rain. So we gotta go. Oh, focus me. Okay, we're gonna go now before it's rain. I'm very excited because I'm gonna get a new bed. And of course, it's the thing that I want from last year because I've been watching this bed from last year, and I'm thinking like maybe I will get this bed for new house, but it doesn't mean that I will get that. But now I'm gonna get that, and I'm gonna get approval from my mom and dad because they need to think if it's fit to my bedroom. What I'm talking about, if it's fit in my bedroom or not. So they need to think about it first because it's a loft bed. Loft bed. It's a loft bed, and loft bed is quite high, and I'm afraid that when I sleep above it and the fan is gonna hit me. So we're gonna check it first, and then we're gonna buy if it's fit or not. And we are moving right now, going to Ikea, and now it's like 3:37 p.m. so it's evening. So how are you doing, guys? It's evening, and I hope we arrived at 4:30 maybe, so we can, because I have video to edit. And the deadline is today. Yes, it's that for me because I just edited half of it, and then I need to finish it. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but when I say this, you can hear me. So yeah, so catch you guys later. Bye.
Okay.
Oop, there it is. Oop. We arrived, y'all. Finally arrived. Ayah, yang first time datang UKL lah, first time datang Ikea. Mainlah keluar.
Hello.
Lego. Oh, I forget to tell you guys that what I'm wearing. Okay, my slack pants is from Ryan Hire. This baju muslimah is from Khayalan.co. This bawal crepe is from my town. I don't know what shop. I'm wearing foundation from Yummy and lipstick. Oh, focus me. Red lipstick from NYX. That is my outfit for today, and I'm kind of wearing Instagram branded thing today instead of wearing tracksuit. I'm wearing like kind of pretty, kind of decent, normal outfit for today because I'm going to Ikea, so I'm wearing like normal thing. We arrive in Ikea. We're gonna go look at the bedroom. It's so fun. I've been here. I've never. Yep. It's not. I've never been here. It's like I haven't been here for 1 month or 2 months, and I'm glad I'm here back because I love Ikea. I love to look at the. What was that? I love to look at the perabot. What we call perabot? I love to look at the perabot, and I love to look how they decor the house, how they decor the room, and it's very fun to look at that because it inspires me to get new things for my home, for my studio, for my room, and really excited for it. And it's really fun to go in Ikea. It's like a maze, even though it's tiring, but it's fun. You know, like looking at the things that we haven't have that. Oh, ayah nak ambil selfie. Oh, okay. Nak post dekat dalam grup WhatsApp lah tu. Ke kat FB. Mak? Nampak cantik hari ni?
Terima kasih.
Alah, malu lah tu. Terima kasih. Hai, duduk pula. Nak post lah tu. Lepas tu nak duduk kan? Tengok kedua orang pasangan ni. Secocok ke tak secocok? Satu hitam, satu putih, dapat anak Oreo. Oops, escalator is not working, so we have to go by stairs. And we finally arrive up here. Look at this huge Ikea and mall. Oops, many people. Oh, it's fun. Look at this. It's fun thing to play. I want to play. I'm an adult now. Okay, let's go.
Roller lah ni. Cik rumah.
Tak, ni kan kalau roller habuk. Kalau habuk baju roller. Ha. Ha? Nak ambil ke? Ambil lah beg satu. Ha, ambil. Mana beli apa?
Apa dia? Aku yang suka lah. Boleh ambil video. Aku yang suka.
Alah. Okay, I'm not allowed to take video in Ikea, so I have to stop here. And when we arrive at the bedroom, at the bed, I can record it. See you later. Yeah, we arrived. This is the bed that I want, the loft bed. And down here is like you can do like office thing, and there's a ladder here. Let me show you. Full. Yep, this one. This is the bed that I want. Why I'm going far away? Because there's like a staff here. I'm afraid that you're not allowed. You have to delete it. But it's my content, bro. I'm a vlogger. So that is the bed that I want, and I hope they're like, you can buy it, bro. Mom, Dad, I really want that bed from last year, the loft bed.
Adik boleh ke naik-naik tu tak apa?
Tak, adik boleh naik lah, takkan patah punya. Mak ni meragui berat adik. Ke mak nak adik pakai yang katil bawah, sebab mak kan kata nanti dah kahwin lah.
Nah, itulah adik fikir sendirilah. Mak tak nak paksa.
Oh my god, I got this bed. Oh my god. Finally I got it. After 1 year of waiting, I got it. So yes. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm not gonna film anymore because the apparently security don't give me to film anything because of there's a, like the management are not allowed of that thing. They don't know that I'm a vlogger, I'm a YouTuber, so I'm gonna end this video here. So I'm sure you're gonna buy this, so I'm gonna fill up everything and got the bag. And if you like this video, give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and open the bell so you can get the notification from me. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys soon. Bye. Right now I'm at a cafe. Even though I already end the video, I'm at a cafe. I'm so tempted to buy Ikea food because the food here already smell like so delish. I want to buy it, but I have to wait for my mom because she went to the restroom. Oh my god, the smell! You know the Ikea food is like the best. They got a food like so much good food. And I cannot describe it because if you haven't go to Ikea, you have to go at least one time, even though it's like kind of maze. Ikea is like a tiring thing to do, but you have to go for once. Try the cafe, go to the showroom and look at it, and it's very fun to have that. And I also do that today, and it's very fun. Even though I have been here for so many times, I like so much like it about it, and it's very fun to have to do this. A lot of people coming here. Look, many people here. It's fun to be here. So much thing that we can do, so much thing that we can look, and so much thing that we can eat, of course. And if you haven't been to Ikea, please go at least once. And if you've been here, come to the cafe first, eat first, and then go to the showroom if you want. Because if you go to the showroom in a maze, like you'll be like I'm so hungry because it's gonna be long maze. So better go eat first if you're hungry, then you can go to the showroom. Because when you go to the showroom feeling hungry, you will not like about the things that you look. You don't like things that you look, even though they are beautiful, they are nice, they are cool, you won't like it. So I suggest that you eat first and then you can go to the showroom. What I like things about being here is like this place is big, and I love to look at the furniture. Yeah, perabot, furniture. I love to look at the furniture, and suddenly my dictionary is not working for today. But I love to look at the furniture here, and they are very different from the Malaysian furniture because Ikea is from other country. It's from US country, and US, is it US or I don't know, it's from outside there and from other country, and it's different kind of furniture that they show us. I just like to look at the furniture. I just like to look at home decor because it's very I think like many people will think that it's very not really nice to see it because not really inspire them, but to me it's inspired me, and it gives me the calm mood. It gives me the calm mood that I really have to look at it, because when I look at it, I will think about it, and it makes me focus. When something makes me focus, I will be like very straightforward to that thing only. I don't really think much. I just think about one thing only. So it's good for my mental health, buy focusing one is good. And yeah, that's why I love to go there. Tell me in the comment if you like to go to Ikea, what you will do, what you will go first. Because some of people like to go, love to go to Ikea because to eat, because of the food. And some of people want to go to Ikea because want to buy furniture. So tell me in the comments what you guys like about Ikea, what you guys think about Ikea. And it's very cool to have been here. That's it, guys. That is my thought of the day because I love talking to you guys. I feel like I feel like good for sharing things, what I think about it to you guys, and it's feel nice to have this thought for today. So if you like this video, guys, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Okay, like what I said before, subscribe if you haven't yet, and notification bell. So leave a comment below if you want to leave like what I say, what you love about Ikea, what you like to do think first when you arrive at Ikea. Tell me that when you want, okay? I mean, tell me that so I know that what you like, because I love sharing with you guys. So I hope you guys sharing with me and give a lots of supporting love and support for me, and I will give support to you guys too. Okay, see you guys in the next video. I hope you like it, this video, and bye, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.